sizzling sirloin skewers made for summer barbecues. In a large bowl, combine the olive oil, red wine vinegar, red onion, fresh herbs, red pepper flakes, and salt. Stir thoroughly to combine all the ingredients. Pat the steak cubes dry with paper towels and toss with 1/4 cup chimichurri sauce, ensuring all pieces are evenly coated. Reserve the rest of the sauce for serving. Thread the seasoned and marinated steak cubes and veggies onto the soaked skewers, leaving a little space between each piece for even cooking. In a hot grill, cook over medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Immediately brush with some of the reserved chimichurri sauce and serve the remainder of the sauce on the side for dipping. Enjoy the skewers warm.